Welcome to Mini Orange. In this video, we will show you how to configure single sign-on into Joomla using OneLogin. First, download and install the Mini Orange SAML SB extension from the Joomla extensions directory. Go to your Joomla dashboard. Here, click on Components, Mini Orange SAML Single Sign-On, and then click on Service Provider Metadata. In the Service Provider Metadata tab, we can copy the metadata URL or download the metadata XML file and provide it to OneLogin. Or we can scroll down and manually copy the entity ID and the ACS URL. In this video, we will be manually configuring the metadata. Now, go to your OneLogin Administrator dashboard. Here, under the Applications drop-down menu, click on Applications. Now, click on the Add App button. Search for SAML Custom Connector in the given field. Now select the SAML Custom Connector Advanced option. Under the Display Name field, give the app a name. Then click on the Save button. Now click on the Configuration tab. Here, paste the entity ID in the given field. Then paste the ACS URL into the ACS URL validator and the ACS URL fields. And then click on the Save button. Now go to the Setup tab. Here, under More Actions, click on the SAML Metadata Download button. Go to the Service Provider Setup tab of the SAML extension. Here, click on the Upload IDP Metadata button. Now, click on the Choose File button. Then, select the metadata XML file. Finally, click on the Upload button. Now scroll down and click on the Test Configuration button. You will see a Test Successful window if the configuration was done correctly. Now, make sure that Enable Login with SAML is toggled on. This will create a link on your Joomla site that will allow you to log in with OneLogin. Give the link a name and click on the Save button. Go to your Joomla site and click on the Login with OneLogin button. Now, enter your OneLogin credentials and click on the Continue button. You have successfully logged into Joomla using OneLogin. Enjoy a 7-day free trial and experience all our premium features. Reach out to us at joomlasupport@securify.com. Thank you for watching. Please visit us at plugins.miniorange.com/Joomla to learn more about our products.